Urquhart. Is it Urquhart? Urquhart Castle in Loch Ness. Lisa's gone in for a tour. I've done a sneaky drone, but there was a no drone allowed sign. Now I did look on the drone assist, which tells me where there's no fly zone, so there's no it's all clear to take off, so that's their rules, not the CAA rules. So I kind of did it. I went up 100 metres, so it's not a brilliant drone view, but I didn't fly low and start aggravating things. Anyway, she's gone in for a tour. Me and Peanut are chilling. I've got the engine running because the fan is on, heating up the George, because I'm chillaxing in the back. We're in the car park, we're sticking out a bit, but if they ask me to move, then I'll move. But yes, so from here we're going, I think we're going to the Clansman. She wants to have a look in there, and then we're going to a park up for the night, which is right at the side of Loch Ness, with stunning views. I will get the drone up. It'll either be today if it's not raining, but that'll be in another vlog, or it'll be tomorrow. So that's our plans for today. Whether they go ahead, who knows. So anyway, we'll see you later.
So good morning everybody from Urquhart Castle in Scotland. Look at the view of the back. I have got a camera in my neck, but this is just extra. What an amazing view. Right, we'll take you down.
Lisa stood where stones remember time, at Urquhart Castle by the edge of the deep dark brine. Loch Ness stretched wide with a whispering breeze, holding its secrets in shadows and seas. The ruins spoke softly of battles long past, of clans and of kings whose shadows were cast. Once a stronghold in Scotland's fierce wars, it guarded the loch through its thick wooden doors. In the days of the wars of independence it stood, a prize fought over for power and good, taken and lost, then claimed yet again, by nobles, by soldiers, by Highland men. But time, like the loch, moves steady and slow, and left only fragments of what used to grow, blown apart in the 17th century's flame, to keep it from falling to enemies' claim. Now silence remains where armies once cried, just wind through the stones and the water beside. Lisa walked gently where history sleeps, on ground that still echoes, on walls that still keep. She paused by the tower, half broken yet proud, with mist rolling in like a soft ghostly shroud, and wondered how many had stood in that place, staring at Ness with that same quiet gaze. If you enjoyed our video and the stories we release, don't forget to subscribe to Motorhome Beasts. To Motorhome Beasts. At Urquhart Castle by the edge of the deep dark brine, Loch Ness stretched wide with a whispering breeze, holding its secrets in shadows and seas. The ruins spoke softly of battles long past, of clans and of kings whose shadows were cast. Once a stronghold in Scotland's fierce wars, it guarded the loch through its thick wooden doors. In the days of the wars of independence it stood, a prize fought over for power and good, taken and lost, then claimed yet again, by nobles, by soldiers, by Highland men. But time, like the loch, moves steady and slow, and left only fragments of what used to grow, blown apart in the 17th century's flame, to keep it from falling to enemies' claim. Now silence remains where armies once cried, just wind through the stones and the water beside.
So that is Urquhart Castle. That's the furthest I can go because I can't climb the stairs. But I've got quite a bit of footage, and Andy's got a bit of drone, so I'm going to turn this camera off and just leave my ear on my chest on, so I'll see you in a bit. Toodle pip. I can hear bagpipes. Proper excited. This is going to make my day, honestly. I'm going to be dead at the end of the day, my back, but still. Let me turn you around. made my day. I did say to Andy, one thing I wanted while at Scotland, see somebody playing the bagpipes. And I just heard it. I was about to leave and I could hear some bagpipes. I can hardly move, my back's killing if I'm truthful. But turns out the man who's playing the bagpipes, he's obviously Scottish, and I'm freezing so I'm talking a bit weird. So he's Scottish and he's a tourist, he's also to this castle, brought his bagpipes and played beautiful music. It really made my day. Andy's still in the van. I'm going to try and get back. I'm freezing now as he's running. Back's killing. I've had a wonderful time. I was that close to not coming in the castle because I just can't walk very far. But I don't have regrets when I go back home. So I pushed myself and I am so glad. What a fabulous castle, and what amazing man to come, bring his bagpipes and make people happy. People like me. I am so thrilled, and wait till I tell Andy. It cost £14 to come in the castle. Urquhart Castle. I'm hoping I've got it right, pronouncing. Don't offend anybody if I got it wrong. But, I mean, look at these views. Andy will be proud because I've had two cameras going, so I am so thrilled, honestly. It's made my day. Anyway, back to the motorhome.
Lisa's back. We're at Urquhart Castle. Just going to end this vlog now. You would have seen like a little tour, and I would have done a drone. That
and bagpipes.
And she's seen some bagpipes.
I'm well happy.
So we're off to the co-op and then the park up, and then Lisa's going to rest her back and her legs.
Dead. It took ages to come back to the van.
For what I've heard, she's walked miles.
He's killed me, but there was benches and I've had to keep stopping to my back. But I didn't do all the castle I wanted to. I did go back to the bagpipes, but I am in agony, so him indoors is going to have to make me coffees all day.
So thanks for watching Urquhart Castle vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. The history, didn't know it was a castle from the 8th century. I don't know whether she's known this. I will put something up at some point over this, but it's from the 8th century. It played a major part in the Scottish independence, and it was blown up in the 16th century by the something bites.
We have got a piece about it that we've prepared to read. So,
and the ruin you see now is mostly because of that explosion.
It is a beautiful. I recommend anybody, if you're able-bodied, please come and visit this castle. It's beautiful.
It's right on the shores of Loch Ness. It's very picturesque. Anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you